Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to customize control center simple on Samsung. The first thing you do is, now normally control center is just for iPhone, but thankfully it made it possible for Android users to download control center simple. So it's similar to the iPhone control center. Here it is over here. So to get it, go on Google Play, tap control center simple, you see it's download and install it. So once you've done that, now let's say I need to customize it. So I tap on the app to open it. This control center, make your phone to iOS. You choose the language you want, tap on done. And then explaining how it's done. To switch control center fast and simple, it's helps to give a limited time spent recording and to pin your favorite app. You can also take screenshots with single touch. So having to hold down the power button and the volume button. So once you're ready, your phone gets started. So here you can now start customizing your control center. Don't forget to enable it at the top here. If it's not turned off, you have to turn it on. Then you can decide to resize. You decide to resize the color of the bar here, the bar over here. You can see the bar moving up and down. You can decide to resize it. You can decide to resize the width, the height, even the color. Now if I tap on this color over here, I can decide to choose another color for it. And so you can see it has changed. Just another color for me, tapping on the color. So that's it. And then you can just be able to pull it from a different angle. So right now my location is on the left. I can try to pull it from the top by tapping on the top here. Now you can see the bars goes to the top, so when I pull from the top, fortunately it interferes with the Android on notification panel, so it's better to know how it is at the top. And I pull from the right, like this. I want to pull it from the right. You can see my control center has been open, or I can decide to pull from the bottom. You can see at the bottom here, but also interferes with something here. So you see, so the best position for me is the left here, because nothing, it doesn't interfere with anything. I pull from the left. Now the next thing you have is color. I've already done everything once over here. So you can assign the color orientation. Is where you decide where it can pull from. Then we have background. If you decide to make it transparent, choose a wallpaper or choose from your gallery. Then you have blur wallpaper. You don't want to blur it, just simply turn it off so the picture will show perfectly. You have the night shift. You can decide to automatically shift the color of your display to warmer and the color spectrum after dark. This may help you get a better night's sleep, so you can decide to schedule it from the time to what time, or you can decide to manually enable it. You can choose the color temperature, less warm, decide. So the next thing we have is vibration. You can turn it off so it doesn't vibrate, and you can leave it on if you want it to vibrate when you pull it out and pull it up and pull it back. Then you have custom control. So you can edit your custom controls, where you can add more. You can see here, you can add. Here are the apps. Here are the controls that appear in my control center. The maximum you can have is 12 controls, or you can decide to add more to it. These are the ones you can add by tapping on the plus icon. Here we'll try to remove the plus and the minus icon. So the next thing I can do is set up my record. Tap on set up the record. Here you can choose advanced mode. Where if you choose advanced mode, you can decide the resolution, the bitrate, the frame rate. You can set to record with audio. If you don't want to record it, still turn it off. For this setting, we have the channel settings, sample rate, and bitrate. So that's it. That is how to customize control center on Samsung. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.